On today's Disney Roundup, Disney announces an opening date for Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets. A reopening date is shared for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad at the Magic Kingdom, and new characters coming to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup every single week. Starting off with the parks news, set to open this summer, Disney has announced an opening date for Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets. Starting May 26th, Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets roars back to life with a rock-charged remix that drops guests straight into the middle of the Electric Mayhem's biggest night yet. With high-speed thrills, a pulse-pounding soundtrack, and a VIP list like no other, this reimagined attraction hits all the right notes. The Electric Mayhem is headlining the most buzzworthy concert Hollywood has ever seen. Dr. Teeth, Animal, Floyd, Janice, Zoot, and Lips are ready to rock the house, and everyone who's anyone will be there. There's just one little problem: the band is nowhere to be found. Your VIP tour kicks off inside GeForce Records, an iconic rock and roll recording studio where the magic is just getting started. GeForce Records is opening its legendary doors, giving you a peek at where the melodic magic takes place. Things might look a little different around this Hollywood institution, as the label has recently come under new management. Keep your eyes open. Sharp-eyed guests will spot celebrity cameos woven throughout the experience, starting in the queue and continuing all the way through the merch shop. For Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets, the music takes center stage. The Electric Mayhem teamed up with some of rock's biggest names to deliver a lineup of tracks designed to crank the adrenaline from the loading zone to the final brake run. Songs in the ride, when it opens, are to include Song 2, Born to be Wild, Love Roller Coaster, Rock Rock, and Walkin' on Sunshine. Set to reopen next month, Disney has shared a reopening date for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad at the Magic Kingdom will reopen on Sunday, May 3rd, with new magic. The story of Big Thunder dates back to olden times, or rather golden times, during the early days of America's first major gold rush. When Barnabas T. Bullion struck gold in a Big Thunder region, he saw a future full of riches and hustled to start the Big Thunder Mountain Company. The rumblin' rollin' fun of Big Thunder Mountain at Walt Disney World recently completed a mountaintop cavern deep refurbishment meant to keep the classic attraction in tip-top shape, ready to delight guests who want to ride the rails for years to come. A key part of the refurbishment was installing a new track and refreshed passenger trains. When the ride reopens, trains rattle their way through underground spectacular natural caverns full of phosphorescent pools, shimmering and illuminating iridescent stalagmites and stalactites. The rainbow caverns certainly are beautiful, but they ain't as friendly as they first appear. In fact, the menacing rumble from deep within the mountain may be a sign that we ain't welcome. Starting next week, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland will be expanding its timeline. Beginning April 29th, visitors will be invited to immerse themselves in different points of the Star Wars saga inside Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland Park, as they never have before, with characters and storylines that capture the heart of what draws guests to this far galaxy far, far away. New storylines will be brought to life on Batuu, spanning multiple eras of the planet's rich history. These updates will enable you to experience the new galactic Civil War and New Republic, as well as the Age of the Resistance and First Order. Darth Vader's search for Luke Skywalker will bring him to Batuu. The Sith Lord will be joined by Imperial stormtroopers, and as they seek the elusive Jedi, they may find hints of the Force around the outpost. Leia Organa and Han Solo will be reunited with Luke Skywalker and Chewbacca amid the rocky spires. Luke Skywalker will roam the outpost seeking knowledge of the Force and artifacts related to lightsaber building, kyber crystals, and more. Leia Organa may be spotted near the Millennium Falcon, where she'll recruit travelers and locals to help her keep Luke safe. Han Solo will also linger around his prize ship, tempted by the local cantina. With Animation Courtyard set to open this summer, Disney has added Mickey's Sorcerer hat to Hollywood Studios. Guests can now spot Mickey's iconic Sorcerer hat at Disney's Hollywood Studios. This marks another installment of the magic taking shape at Animation Courtyard. The newly reimagined area opens to guests this summer. The building where the Sorcerer hat is installed at will be home to the Magic of Disney Animation, which is set to open later this summer. Set for release next month, the final trailer has been shared for The Mandalorian and Grogu. The evil empire has fallen and Imperial warlords remain scattered throughout the galaxy as the fledgling New Republic works to protect everything the rebellion fought for. They have enlisted the help of legendary Mandalorian bounty hunter Din Djarin and his young apprentice Grogu. The Mandalorian and Grogu officially releases in theaters on May 22nd. Alright everyone, that's it for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup every single week. That's it for this week. Until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.